Rainy day in Prince George today. Rainy. We have a little sleet on earlier, and now it's not snowing, it's raining. Sleet is more like a little snow stuff before, you know, it's just a little snow, but it eventually turns into water. So this is what Prince George, downtown Prince George look like today. Rainy day. Rainy day. So this is for YouTube, just to let the world see what Prince George is looking like today.
This is a one-way drag.
We are at the intersection here.
Second Avenue is the
second
one-way.
half one way. So we are just
shop there.
go around the block and come back and shop over by that West Indian store where you get a lot of African and Caribbean product over there. This is the railway train station. It's just up on the right there. But it's nice.
There's the train station.
Earlier it was cooler. It was like very cool earlier.
Wasn't it 0 this morning?
It was 0 this morning, and the temperature now is, as I see on the dashboard there, 1. So yeah, it's okay. It's fine. It was a bit cooler. I think it warm up. Honestly, I felt it warm up because it was a bit cooler earlier. So this is, we now on Damanian Road. So this is what Prince George look like. It's a rainy day here in Prince. People passing and pedestrian crossing. Yeah. So, turning back on second half. So here we go.
It's called DG Afro.
So we are approaching DG Afro. That's the name of the actual name of the West Indian store that sells products that Caribbean people love and Africans love. So here we go. We are at the stoplight. Waiting. Cross. So as I said, guys, today is October 12th, and this is what downtown Prince George look like today. Rainy day. Having a little sleet earlier, and now it's the snow turned into water. So
Afro Caribbean.
okay, yeah, this is Prince George. We are at the parkade, going to buy DG Afro to get some stuff. So just see. Hey,
You guys are from Iowa?
no, Yukon. Yeah, Yukon, Jamaica. Oh, so here we had Afro Caribbean. Nice store. We're gonna go inside and get some stuff inside here. So the sign, it says open, but I'm not seeing anyone here. What is going on? Let me see if I can get some attention here. It seems no one inside, but as you see, there are products there, which are mostly Caribbean products and African products. I wanted to show you guys inside, but I don't know where she at. I better go for another day. Another day I'll be back. Some of the stuff here. Oh, a lot of people on the street me having fun. No worries, that's good. So this is what Prince look like. Rainy. Cool. Okay. Okay, guys, we're trying to get some stuff at DJ Afro. That's over by the store there. I wanted to show you guys all that product and all that stuff they have inside here. Great product. And but I don't know where she at. I don't know where the lady at. So we're gonna just call it off and just call it quit for the day. We may hold on for a little bit to see if she's gonna be here, but if not, we're gonna call it quit. So thank you guys for watching, and remember to leave a like and subscribe, please, and one love.